We are not swapping faces anymore, we are building humans. From every culture, every age, every emotion, all generated by the system. From 3D modeling to skin texture, from fabric folds to eye movement. Real-time 3D rendering, every light, every shadow, true presence, every frame. Not just a pose, motion, intention, expression, all driven by real muscle dynamics. Dynamic cloth simulation, every fabric moves, every texture breathes.
One person, one arm, one digital human, ready to speak, present, perform.
ليس مجرد نموذج، ولكن حضور حي في كل لغة وكل ثقافة وكل قصة.
国境や時差を超えて挨拶し、説明し、インスピレーションを与えることができます。
Esto no es una simulación. Esta es tu voz, amplificada a través del poder de la IA.
100 faces, each unique, each alive. This is Rendora, the factory of photoreal digital avatars. The era of embodied AI begins now.